give your character an interesting name. Give them a compelling name. Now, I, for an article one time, said, how do you find the funny in names? And I said that a great way to add humor to your stories is through the names you choose for the people, the places, and the things. Let's face it, some names are funnier than others. So I ask you, is Tom Jones a funny name?
No.
Oh. How about Engelbert Humperdinck?
Yes.
It's funny. Okay. Is Paul Simon funny?
No.
Is Art Garfunkel funny?
Yes.
Yes. So you see, some names are just funnier than others. How about Alexander Solzhenitsyn? Not so, somewhat. Yakov Smirnoff.
Yeah.
The name is funny. Some people don't think the humor is, but I'm probably dating myself. Harrison, not so funny. Higginbotham. Yes, it's funny. So look at names. I'll go slightly risque. Richard Chow. Is that funny? Dick Nibbler. Now I'll tell you, I heard this one from a group of octogenarian storytellers I was on a board with, and they tested their mailing list by sending a copy of anything that they sent out, and then they addressed it to, Dick Nibbler at the P.O. Box, and when it came, we knew that the fulfillment house was doing its job. But they all, I thought it was hilarious. There's others. If you're interested, I wrote something about it. I'll send you the link, and you can read about it. But why not give your character an interesting, compelling, but humorous name? And you can extend this too. It's not just names of people, but places as well. Let's see, a couple of examples. And yeah, Ken knows some of the people that I've interviewed for this. Lucille Ball, not so funny, but Lucille McGillicuddy. Funny name. Yeah. Where's the example I wanted to give? Oh, if you've watched the TV show The Office. Okay, what is the name of the company, the fictitious paper company? Dunder Mifflin. That's funny. Dunder, it kind of rhymes with Dunder, and Mifflin. Well, Miff is kind of like a mistake, and so Dunder Mifflin. I just think it just fits. It just works. Yeah. So that's a good one. And it's got
like Houghton Mifflin, which is a real
right. Houghton Mifflin. Right. Absolutely. A publishing company, esteemed publishing house. Yeah. And I've got Virginia Tooper and some other people that we know from our humor community. And Linda Swindling, an attorney, she said when she was about to, that was not her maiden name, and she lived in Texas, and she wanted to marry a man whose name was Swindling. And she looked in the phone book and found other lawyers whose names were like Cheatham and things like that, and called up and said, should I take my intended's name? And it's a great story.